Do you know Indian air pollution is a national crisis? Do you know according to WHO, India has the maximum polluted cities in the world. Out of 30 polluted cities in the world, 14 are from India. At least 2.5 million people die every year in India due to air pollution. Hello everyone, my name is Medanch and welcome to Simply Plants. In this video, we will talk about how dangerous is the air in our house. So watch this video till the end to know how together we can get an answer for this. So let's get started. Let me tell you the different types of air pollution we have in our cities. Road traffic emissions are one of the biggest contributors for air pollution. The major vehicular emissions are carbon monoxide, NOx, NMVOCs, etc. Other traces of emissions include carbon dioxide, oxides of sulfur, methane, total suspended particles. The major industries contributing to air pollution are cement, aluminium, steel, copper, sugar, paper, fertilizer, etc. The major pollutant comprises SPM, SOx, NOx, CO2 emission. Agricultural activities also pollutes the environment. Ammonia and nitrous oxide are the key pollutants released from agricultural activities. The contribution of emissions from power plant are both immense and worrisome. The emissions of SO2, NOx and PM has been increased more than 50 times in last 50 years. Thermal power plants are main source of SO2 and TSP emissions. In India, about 80% of municipal solid waste has been discarded in open dumping grounds. The open dumping leads to poor quality of water and bad odor at nearby localities. The lack of treatment in MSW and biomass burning has led to increase in air pollution and in urban cities. Surprisingly, households are also one of the major contributors for air pollution in India. Domestic energy used are cooking gas, kerosene, cow dung cakes and wood crop waste. Construction and demolition also contributes to air pollution. Around 10,750 tonnes of construction waste is being produced from Delhi alone every year. So you can imagine the construction waste across India every year. The terrestrial ecosystem is widely affected by ground air pollution. The ill effects include respiratory and pulmonary disorders in animals and humans, on biodiversity, on material and building, and also on human health. Biological pollutants, lead, paints, pesticide, indoor particulate matter, second-hand smoke or tobacco smoke, volatile organic compound, wood smoke, cooking gas, perfumes or deodorants or artificial fragrances, surface cleaners, and dust and volatile chemicals. Trees play an important role in increasing urban biodiversity, providing plants and animals with a favorable habitat, food and protection. A mature tree can absorb up to 150 kg of CO2 per year. Especially in cities with high levels of pollution, trees can improve air quality, making cities healthier places to live in. ZZ plant is a very easy to care and beautiful indoor plant. The most important quality of ZZ plant is it is a very effective air purifying plant. In a NASA study, researchers found that it can remove ample amount of toxins such as xylene, toluene, formaldehyde and benzene from the air. Rubber plant improves air quality by converting inhaled carbon dioxide into breathable oxygen. The plants combine carbon dioxide with hydrogen broken down from water taken in by roots, and byproduct of this chemical reaction is oxygen. The rubber plant releases the extra oxygen into the air through its leaves. The well-known spider plant is also a champion cleanser of air. The most important fact is, according to NASA tests, showed it to remove around 90% of the potentially cancer-causing chemicals, formaldehyde, from the air. Thus, you can save yourself from carcinogenic chemicals. Dumb cane is a very easy to care indoor plant, ideal for creating a tropical look. Dumb cane offers lush foliage that takes toxin out of the air so you can breathe easier. It is even the best CO2 absorbing indoor plant. Philodendron xanadu is an ornamental indoor house plant. Philodendron filters airborne toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, trichloroethylene from the atmosphere. All the varieties of snake plant converts carbon dioxide into oxygen at night. It helps to remove toxic chemicals from the air like xylene, benzene, toluene, formaldehyde, etc. Money plant is an excellent air purifying indoor plant. Money plant is known for its ability to remove toxins and other chemicals from the air, more specifically benzene, formaldehyde, xylene and toluene. Money plant has a high purification rate. Erica palm can truly improve the air quality in your home by filtering large amounts of formaldehyde and other common pollutants. They are the most effective palms for air purification. The aloe vera plant acts as an air purifier by removing harmful pollutants known as VOCs from the air, taking up carbon dioxide and providing abundant oxygen back into the air. Peace lily is an excellent air purifying indoor plant. Research conducted by NASA found that peace lily is to be one of the top air indoor plant for cleaning the air. This tropical plant breaks down and neutralizes toxic gases like benzene, formaldehyde and carbon monoxide. To know about how to care of these plants, please check my video on 5 oxygen giving indoor plants. I have already mentioned how to care these plants in my video. I will share the link of the video in the description box and in the I button. You can check it out there. Please like and share this video so that together we can bring a change not only in our homes but also in our cities. Please support my cause of green home and green city by subscribing and ringing the bell icon. You can also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching.